Welcome back, KNN.
We want to give a shout out to Mrs. Bookmeyer for building powerful relationships, demanding excellence, and nurturing a passion for growth in her students. What a great article about her program in the Kenton Times this past week. Our students are extremely blessed to have the opportunity to participate in the Allied Nursing and Health program to better equip them for a career in healthcare. Thank you, Mrs. Bookmeyer.
The newspaper is in the makerspace if you would like to read the article. Congratulations to the JROTC marksmanship team who represented the Wildcats well in the shoulder-to-shoulder match at Western Reserve Academy on Thursday. Kendall Wilcox took first place and Lydia Lambert took third.
Good luck to the JROTC Joint Leadership and Academic Quiz Bowl team. They are in final preparation for round 2 and will compete early next week.
Now let's head to Kendall with the weather.
I'm Kendall with the weather. It's cold and Garrett is stupid because he locked us out. Happy birthday to Elsie on Sunday, February 12th.
Cats congrats for Isaac Aurelia from Lieutenant Fournier,
Aurora Shear from Lieutenant Fournier,
Austin Gerlach from Mr. Moore,
Hunter Fur from Mr. Moore,
Jacob Newland from Miss Bullock,
Ivan Amwick from Mr. Lawrence,
Preston Collins from Mrs. Norris.
and Maddie Brakey from Mr. Brooker.
Good job.
Congrats, cats! Now time for big dumb trucks.
Big dumb trucks.
Yo.
Okay. Today we're here with Aaron and his truck.
It's my truck.
Alright, Aaron, what year is your truck?
This is a Ford F-150 2005.
How long
drives.
have you had your truck?
Around about a year now.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, I'm moving.
got a pitchfork.
Congratulations, Profe.
Profe and her husband welcomed future Kenton Wildcat baby Ronan into the world last Thursday morning. Profe and the baby are doing great. Now off to Sports Corner.
Sports Corner, guys. I'm Emily and this is Brindley. We're going to start off with girls basketball. They had a big lead over Shawnee last night and Allie Harple led with 26 points. Boys basketball is hosting Shawnee tonight and the theme is formal, and they also have an away game against Bluffton tomorrow night. Boys bowling finished third in the WBL. Adam was first in the WBL. Kenny Hastings third in the WBL, and Sam Taylor got honorable mention.
Swim, we don't know how they swam yet, and esports did a good job. Go team.
With Adam Hawkins, we got first team WBL this year in bowling.
Next week we have Spirit Week. So Monday,
Freshmen and sophomores dressed like little kids.
and juniors and seniors just like senior citizens. Tuesday, Monochromatic Day, we all wear one color
Wednesday, soccer moms and
versus grilling dads. And then Thursday, Zoom call, business on the top.
comfort on the bottom.
And then Friday,
Wildcat Spirit Day.
Wear your red and white.
Wildcat Pride.
And Friday there will be a pep rally during the school day. So be ready for it.
There's a surprise. Be ready.
Get pumped for the pep rally.
Yeah, I'm pumped for the pep rally!